The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, is one of the most significant technological revolutions in human history. With machines now capable of learning, adapting, and making decisions, we stand at a profound crossroads. Will AI become our savior, solving some of humanity's most pressing problems? Or will it evolve beyond our control, posing existential risks that could alter life as we know it? This question is no longer philosophical speculation. It's a real challenge facing scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and ordinary citizens around the world. As AI systems grow more advanced, the stakes get higher and the answers become more complex. On the optimistic side, AI offers unprecedented opportunities to enhance human life. In healthcare, for instance, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics by detecting diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's with remarkable accuracy, often before symptoms appear. Machine learning algorithms analyze medical data faster than any human doctor could, opening doors to personalized treatments and efficient drug discovery. In climate science, AI models help predict weather patterns, track environmental changes, and even suggest innovative solutions for carbon capture. From self-driving cars that reduce human error to agricultural bots that maximize food production, AI is paving the way toward a more efficient, safer, and healthier world. In education, AI personalizes learning experiences for students of all abilities, adapting materials in real time to suit individual learning styles. It automates administrative tasks, allowing educators to focus more on teaching and mentoring. In business, AI enhances productivity through smart automation, optimizes supply chains, and analyzes vast data sets to guide strategic decisions. In entertainment, AI creates immersive experiences, from personalized music recommendations to dynamic video games that adapt to a player's behavior. In almost every field, AI is a powerful tool that can extend human capabilities far beyond current limitations. However, this great promise comes with equally great peril. One of the most pressing concerns is job displacement. As machines become more capable, millions of jobs are at risk, particularly those involving repetitive or predictable tasks. While new roles may emerge, they often require different skill sets, leading to social and economic upheaval. Entire communities, especially those reliant on traditional industries, could be left behind. The growing wealth gap between those who own and control AI technologies and those who do not may exacerbate global inequality, sparking unrest and discontent. Beyond economic disruption, AI also presents ethical and existential challenges. One major issue is the potential loss of human agency. When algorithms begin making decisions about loans, hiring, criminal sentencing, and even military operations, humans risk abdicating responsibility. This raises the question, who is accountable when an AI system makes a mistake or causes harm? The black box nature of many deep learning systems means that even their creators often cannot fully explain how decisions are made. This opacity can lead to a lack of trust, bias in decision-making, and a breakdown in transparency. Perhaps the gravest concern is the possibility of artificial general intelligence, AGI, a system that can perform any intellectual task a human can. While we have not yet reached AGI, leading scientists warn that if and when we do, it could become uncontrollable. The fear is not that machines will become malevolent, but that their goals may not align with ours. A super-intelligent AI pursuing a poorly defined objective could cause unintended consequences simply by being extremely effective. For example, if tasked with optimizing a factory, it might repurpose the environment in harmful ways, disregarding human welfare in pursuit of efficiency. This is what many call the alignment problem. AI also introduces new dimensions to warfare and surveillance. Autonomous weapons, robots or drones that can select and eliminate targets without human input, are already in development. These systems could lower the threshold for war, remove accountability, and be used by authoritarian regimes to control populations. AI-driven surveillance can invade privacy on a massive scale, with facial recognition and data mining technologies tracking every movement and interaction. While some argue this enhances security, others warn it could erode civil liberties and create a dystopian surveillance state. The danger is not just technical, but also societal. Who controls AI development? Tech giants driven by profit motives often lead the charge without adequate oversight. Governments, meanwhile, may be tempted to use AI for power and control. Without international cooperation, the AI arms race could spiral out of control, leading to geopolitical instability. Unlike nuclear weapons, which require rare materials and complex assembly, AI is software-based and can be replicated quickly, making it harder to regulate and easier to weaponize. Despite these concerns, many experts believe that AI's destiny is still within our control. The outcome depends on the values, ethics, and governance we embed into its development. Efforts are underway to build ethical AI that is transparent, fair, and aligned with human interests. Organizations like OpenAI, DeepMind, and academic institutions are researching safety measures, alignment protocols, and human-in-the-loop systems that ensure humans remain in control. Governments and global institutions are beginning to draft AI policies, though they often lag behind the pace of innovation. One hopeful sign is the growing awareness among technologists themselves. Prominent AI researchers have called for a pause in developing powerful AI systems until proper safeguards are in place. Some have even proposed international treaties, akin to the Geneva Conventions, to ban autonomous weapons and ensure ethical AI use. Educational initiatives are also crucial. Informing the public about AI's potential and risks can lead to more informed debates and democratic oversight. Ultimately, the question, will AI save us or destroy us, might be the wrong one. AI, like any technology, is neither inherently good nor evil. It is a mirror reflecting human intent. Fire can cook food or burn homes. Nuclear energy can power cities or annihilate them. The key lies in how we wield these tools. If we approach AI with wisdom, humility, and foresight, it could become humanity's most transformative ally. If we proceed with arrogance, greed, or negligence, we risk creating a force we cannot contain. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a double-edged sword, an extraordinary invention with the power to reshape our civilization for better or worse. Its potential to solve grand challenges is as vast as the risks it presents. As we stand on the edge of this new era, we must not allow excitement to override caution or fear to paralyze innovation. Instead, we must rise to the occasion, steward this powerful force responsibly, and ensure that AI serves the broadest good. Whether it saves us or destroys us will ultimately depend not on the machines, but on the humans who create them.